friends, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. So today we are going to learn how to do the rendering using Lumion. So I have already exported the SketchUp model in FBX format and now I have imported it in Lumion. So now what is the next step? First of all, I will have to place my model in the center of the screen so that I can change it accordingly. So I will just center it over here. Then I will set the sun. So in setting the sun, you will have to go to the weather, and there you can change the direction of the sun and the sun height. Okay. So now this looks good. Okay. Now what is the next thing that I need to do? I need to modify my objects. So I am changing the glasses, and for that I have simply went to the material, and there I have chosen the reflectivity, and then I am changing the color of the glasses. So now that my glasses looks good, I will go to another object over here. So I will just go to the material, go to the custom and aluminum, and using this I can change the handrails. So you can easily see how this model is being modified. Now, to provide the color, I have already selected the colors, and now I can simply reduce the gloss and reflectivity, and then I can provide the color of my choice. I can also darken it. Then I will check from the another perspective, and I will see whether I am getting the right color or not. Okay, so this way you need to keep checking while working on the Lumion, and you will have to just analyze each and everything. So now I will just open up the reference image so that I can get a clear view that I am moving in the right direction. Now I am changing the color of this pillar, and for that I will just go to the colorization and increase the darkness of it so that I can get the color that was there in the reference image. Okay. Now let's change the color of the wood. So for that I have selected my windows and the wooden panel in the windows. And from here I can change the color. I can also scale it to the value I want. And if I am not liking the wood, then I can always change it again. Okay. So you need to first decide what color or material you are willing to provide in the Lumion model. So I have provided the wood over here. Now I will go for the stones. Now you will get a bunch of options over here, and you can choose any one you want. So all you have to do is to just select the object and then provide the stone of your choice. Okay, and you can always just keep trying on different stones or different types of materials if you want. Now this door should be changed to a darker wood, so I will just choose it and apply the material over it. Now what is the next step? In the next step I need to change the glass that is there on the staircase. So for that I would like to go for a glass with less transparency, and let's make it double sided, reduce the brightness and change the color. So this way you can just provide the glass over here. Now what is the next step? In the next step you need to just make this light bulbs white, and if you want then you can provide a black color over here, because the pink color that was visual over there is not very good. So I will just take the screenshot of it, save it with the name black, and now I can go to the material and choose a black color. Okay, so these were the simple techniques of making the modifications in Lumion. Now that this model looks fine over here, so what else do I need to do? I need to set the angle. So I will just place it properly. But over here, the ventilators are still needed to be changed. So the one glass panel is not of the same color. So I will try to make it similar to the other glasses so that I can have a better view. Okay. Now everything seems fine. But let's see if I have anything else to be corrected over here. So this stone doesn't look fine over here, so I will choose a different stone. I will reduce the gloss and reflectivity and everything, and now I can set the angle, and I can always go over here, select the focal length of my choice, increase my focal length so that I can bring this image closer to me and I can get a full view of it, and I will simply store it. Now I am exporting it, and for that I have renamed it. And after the renaming and export, you can just go ahead and see the rendered view of this image. So you can always zoom in and see where you want to make the changes, and I will match it with the reference image again and again. Now that I am satisfied, then I can just go ahead and close it, and if I am not satisfied, then I will change the material and export it again. Okay, so that I can get the best view of my model. Okay guys, so these were the simple techniques using which you can just work. If you want to learn the full course, then you will find a link in the description. All you have to do is to just register on that link, and I will personally give you a call. So that was all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.